Tetra Water Cleaner. Gravel siphon used to easily clean aquariums. Compatible aquarium size. For aquariums up to 55 gallons. Makes monthly water changes easy. It only takes 30 minutes to replace 30% of water every 30 days. Remove debris. Siphons are a great way to easily remove debris from gravel by moving the water cleaner throughout the gravel. Included. Tetra Water Cleaner comes with gravel siphon, priming bulb and clip for bucket for a simple setup. Tetra Aquarium products are dedicated to helping seasoned hobbyists and beginners alike enjoy a successful, lifelong aquatic experience. Tetra products build fish, reptile and pond keeping confidence, one innovation at a time. Our complete line of Tetra nutrition, water care, filtration and aquarium products help make fishkeeping accessible to all hobbyists so they can benefit from its rewards. The Tetra Water Cleaner Gravel Siphon is a great way to easily clean aquariums up to 55 gallons. The siphon makes monthly water changes easy. Remove 30% of your water using the gravel siphon by placing the larger end of the siphon inside the aquarium. Attach the clip to the front edge of the aquarium to prevent it from slipping out. Then, place the smaller end of the tube inside a bucket and attach the bucket clip to prevent slippage or follow instructions to use with the hose attachment. Squeeze the priming bulb until water begins to flow into the bucket. Move the water cleaner throughout the gravel to easily remove debris. If rocks are pulled into the tube, gently tap it on the gravel or side of your tank to dislodge. Continue until you have removed approximately 30% of the water. Top reviews from the United States. Great addition for beginner aquarium owner. Our daughter received a 10-gallon tank setup and some Dumbo guppies for Christmas. We didn't realize how often we'd need to change water, so got this item after the fact. Really helpful for the weekly changes of 2 to 3 gallons of water. Seems to do a really good job cleaning the gravel bed without sucking up things you want to stay in the tank, gravel fish, etc., and can be disassembled for thorough cleaning and drying and then easily reassembled when ready to use.